Welcome to Solistech Solutions, your trusted partner in advanced application and database services. We specialize in upgrading SQL Server environments to deliver top-tier performance, security, and scalability for your business. Recently, one of our major European customers who is specialized in global logistics services seek our help in upgrading their existing SQL Server 2014 database to SQL Server 2019. We reckon it is more than a technical step. It's a strategic move to future-proof their business. With Solistech, they enjoyed a seamless transition, minimal downtime, and unmatched efficiency. We begin with thorough preparation, validating hardware and software, automating SQL Server 2019 installations, and creating a stable foundation for the upgrade. The migration phase focuses on precision and consistency. We automate installation, backups, and restoration to make sure it will be consistent across all environments, and automated validation of data integrity and system compatibility. Our automation services help the customer to reduce the cost and implementation timeline. Our customer made a substantial saving of 50% of overall project cost. In the final phase, we optimize the new SQL Server 2019 environment, restoring linked servers, re-enabling SQL agent jobs, and ensuring top-tier system performance. Every migration comes with challenges. At Solistech, we provide solutions. 1. Validating inconsistent backups with advanced tools. 2. Automating permission transfers for seamless authentication. 3. Optimizing resources to eliminate bottlenecks. With us, every challenge becomes an opportunity for excellence. Solistech stands out with a focus on 1. Testing in controlled environments. 2. Using the latest tools and patches. 3. Minimizing downtime during migrations. 4. Documenting every step for complete transparency. 5th, post-go live support during warranty period. Take the next step with confidence. Choose Solistech Solutions for a smooth, secure, and successful SQL Server upgrade. Contact us today to transform your database infrastructure.